In this video, I'm turning an empty glass jar into this amazing candle lantern. Clean the jar and remove the labeling very well. Make sure to remove all residues. Cut a piece of macrame rope and glue it at the top of the jar as you see in the video. Add glue to one side and press the rope firmly until the glue dries. Do the same thing on the other side. Once the handle is firmly glued in place, wrap the same rope around the top like this. Wrap another piece of rope on the bottom of the jar. It will give it a nice look and finish. Leave the center of the jar as it is. Don't cover it with anything so the candle stays visible. This is an easy and quick project. I chose a small jar, but you can choose any size you want. Use the same technique for all jar sizes. You can also make multiple lanterns of different shapes and sizes. As decor, you can add seashells, pearls, or anything you like and have available at home. I used a battery-powered candle and placed it in the middle of the jar. This project will give a bit of light and will add a very special touch to your home. This is a very easy project using simple materials you find at home or are very affordable to buy. This is the easiest way to take advantage of your empty jars. Like I said, you can use different jar sizes and decorate them all the same way, and you'll get a simple and creative home decor.